how to make AI Kung Fu video tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can make this image into a videos fighting Kung Fu. So I'll show you how you can make that image, okay, this image into a videos and fighting. This is very popular. You can see this video. And this is the ultimate Kung Fu channel that is using AI. And look at the views. 100 millions of views, 33 million views, 12 million views. So this is probably one of the best AI Kung Fu channel. This is the ultimate level, I would say. But we're gonna make a simple one. What we need is a tool called ImageFX to generate the image. You can use other tool like Leonardo AI or any image generation tool you want to use. I already made a tutorial on ImageFX. Now if you cannot access this tool, you can simply use a VPN and change your location if it is not available in your country. So how do I come up with this prompt? Well, I basically use ChatGPT or DeepSeek. I simply type in make an image from a baby and a cat do martial arts duo, and this is the prompt that it gives to me. I just simply copy paste it into here, and I change the aspect ratio to 9:16 because I want to post it on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts. So I simply click on create and it generates the image for us. So that's how simple it is to generate an image. You can use, I don't know, a baby versus a rooster, a dragon versus whatever it is. You can try it, guys. Sometimes it doesn't show up. You can just click on create. So once you have the image, what you need to do is turn this into a video. You can use HaiLuo AI or you can use Kling AI. But Kling AI, it takes a lifetime to generate. Look at this. I still need to wait 1 hour, but you can try either one. So if you use HaiLuo AI, it's very simple. You simply go to create video here and you upload your image, and then you can give a prompt right there. This is, I think, one of the best prompt you can use. An epic fight between a baby and a cat. They throw jumping punches and kicks extremely fast. Fun atmosphere like Kung Fu fight movie. There are punches and kicks delivering non-stop combos. And I come up with different variation like this one. So this is one variation, and this one also. So which one you like, you can combine them. This one I added camera is stationary, so it turns out not as good as I would expect, but you can combine the videos. Okay, you can generate as many as you want. There's gonna be many variations that you can have. So what you need to do is that you need audio. So we have image, we have video, and now we need the audio. So the audio, I just simply find the videos like with the audio. For example, this is the one, right? So I just want the audio. I will right click, copy video URL, and then I will go to this website, convert it to MP3, and simply paste in the link and click on convert, and then I got the audio. Okay, this image is generated, but anyway, then what you need to do is that you want to edit it. You can use whatever editing tool, and I simply add the videos and the audio down there, and this is the final result. Now look at this. You see there is, okay, it's not showing up. You can see there is this watermark. You can close it with your Instagram, or you can cover it up with something, or you can just simply make this larger. I will make it larger so it is not to be seen. I will make it larger. Okay, now it is gone. Yeah, very simple guys. This is the audio, right? Put the audio at the bottom, and this is the video, and then you can simply, export it. As simple as that. That's how you make a kung fu tutorial, a kung fu fight between a baby and a cat. If you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe for more. I will talk more about AI in the future, so make sure you subscribe, share it with your friends, and yeah, let me know how you do it. Okay, you can also be inspired by this channel if you want to get more views and learn more how to use the prompt. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.